Are officially plugged into the Overview Podcast.
Ukila bona sa Ndaba is noti until we delete the report. O mo simolla report sa se.
Yo!
I
From the capital, the station is now the ultimate power in the universe, baby. Overview Radio bring you
Overview Podcast
with the whole shebang. Tapankan is over here, man. Flazer, the only DJ who cannot rap, is over here. I'm kidding. The only DJ who can rap is out here. Chief Ghost is behind the lens as always. Boza is over there. Stooks is over there. Honeys are over here, man. Yeah, man.
Lesego mpieko. Kids another shorties.
Hey, bro. Yeah, man. Like it's a special episode, man. We're shooting it from Mezzo's Cafe. Located in Fairgrounds.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just alongside, like just next to Department of Minerals. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm alongside. Like it's not far from BAC. Yeah. Timo BAC. Like what not really do like Lebana but BAC Kibara.
Yeah.
Do like do like the current president of Botswana's law firm used to be here. Like I don't know if it's still here.
The current.
Yeah. Duma Boko's law firm used to be here.
No, Eko village, no.
Oh, okay.
Elena kitse Eko village.
On
the road, ya go court, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like it used to be here before. How is it go office ya go Duma Boko ya ntlha gona da. Yeah, gona da. Yeah.
When are we eating?
Grade le ano ke bo used to. Re khatala. Re palameletse.
When are we eating?
Who me? I once interviewed him before. Yeah, but not for overview. So like we came here and then like
his offices.
Yeah, like office in Yaro Street.
Have you seen Duma Boko? Have you met him before?
Yeah, I actually have a picture, but it was way long ago.
When?
Dude. Asansa campaign. It was about 2017, I think. I was also still young at the time.
Oh. Okay.
I actually have a picture with him.
Oh, with him. Oh, that's dope. Yeah,
but I look weird.
Like you look weird. How weird?
I'm still a baby.
Like for you, Flazer, like have you met him?
Yeah, so many times.
Wait.
Used to perform not 2019. The elections started before 2019.
Yeah.
2014.
Yeah, so let's say
like as a Manandos.
It was us, Scavenger, Ashley Hobbs.
Serious?
Yeah, so that's how I met him.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Interest. Do like I bet by that time you couldn't tell that by at any stage of his life.
I saw it coming. That's the reason why I was hanging with him. I saw it coming.
Never.
I'm the oracle, nigga.
So yeah, guys, Mezzo's Cafe is the place to be, man. As you can see, I mean,
one time.
Dude, like the place is beautiful, man.
Too much.
It's amazing.
Awesome. Too much.
Chilled vibes.
Too much.
Chilled vibes and all that. Hapedo, what I love about it is that we're like we get soulful music and all that.
Yeah, I think that's the vibe.
Yeah, man.
But then I think for us as the podcast, these are our kind of vibes.
Yeah.
The same way hela ko Cycad. These are our vibes.
Yeah,
like
definitely.
very chilled. Hela Larona, Majita, the dollies at the back.
Yeah, bro, you know.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, happy birthday to Tapanka!
Yeah, 23 never looked this good.
Oh, 23 now.
Yes.
Hey, you still young. Huh?
Yes, time is on my side.
Yeah, hey, dog.
I can tell you that.
Time is on your side.
Other starfish.
Yeah.
Also cover receipts. I'm just asking. I don't
Hey, no true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, man. Nigga.
Thank you
like,
so
are you
much.
happy to be 23?
Hesh. It's a bittersweet feeling. Because I used to want to be 21, and then after 21 hit, I was just like, you know what? I think we can calm down now.
Yeah.
So Hadinzi Pahamela is like shit.
Yeah.
I'm getting old.
Yeah.
Go setse go budiwa bone dipotso tsa gore wa gago wa nthauta leng. O nyalwa leng. Yo.
Ona le ngwana ka ntle?
No.
Ngwana o tle le ngwana
How many times am I clarifying this, guys?
No, I get it. The overviewers want to know. Probably somebody is looking at you or hey, motho le ka nna mosadi. Kana na go skoko saka.
Nyaga ke mother of one.
Mother of negative 0.
Yeah.
Ke nna ya ka le mpona ya.
7 years to you know yeah, like I think that we've spoken about this before, I guess sure. But a woman's prime is between 18 to 30.
Yeah.
Like a man's prime is between 30 and 45 years.
Yeah.
So when I got a lot like you are 7 years towards your prime, like
there's still time.
Yeah, dog.
I feel like there's still
plenty of time.
Yeah. Forever young.
Oh yeah, forever.
After 7 years,
forever 21.
Yeah.
Because you believe la hao la di tlhopano, you have 5 years. And on le 7 years,
Yeah,
like she's still on time. Flazer, usiasa panga again.
23.
9.
Yeah.
9 years
like that, yeah.
Hey, but so like all the nine sapanga also.
Ai, shwe na mon.
When I
Beyonce le Jay-Z ba hetana ka dingwaga tse di kana ka.
Huh?
When I marry.
Ka re bankana nna le.
No, Lynn.
O ka ba Flazer mo spotlight e le na o le ala o. Imagine.
Ka nai.
Ka 10.
Wa dumelan.
10. No.
O ntse ka bokae?
Ka 10.
Huh?
Ka 10.
8. 10.
Ka 10. Ka 10.
Okay, it's fine.
Hey, I lo boza ene ka bo 50.
Boza ene ka 50. Boza ka sister.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, like we've been spent like I think we spent about 2 or 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Elections and all
Yeah.
that. Flazer sick and tired of elections, guys.
Sure.
Not totally unnecessary in the
You know, I'm not sick and tired, you haven't?
Yeah.
I'm not sick and tired. The reason we've been talking about elections, the president, the same old people for the past 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Yet it's very important to talk about those things.
Yeah.
But now the overviewers miss us.
Yeah. Do like
us being us.
the two equals and Fiona.
You get.
Yeah.
So I know it's an important thing to talk about.
Yeah.
The president, the specially elected, you know,
Stuff
the
like
new
that.
ministry, shit like that. It's
Yeah.
important.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
let's take a breather and talk about us.
Yeah.
And what's trending and what's
Yeah.
important for us now.
But still on that, I mean, like we cannot dive away from that now because you know, like Lesego Chombo do like that on the charts now, you know.
And then trend last year.
Yeah, dog.
Li bona le le haka le seroki o lona le kae. Re hone.
Where you left us, nigga.
Where you left us, nigga.
Yeah, dude, like the podcast is still popping. The
Yes.
two man, like if you like.
Re tswa tsa ka beka.
I think okay, but I think. And then I was actually waiting to ask you guys this, Khore, since I wasn't part of that, the podcast at that time.
Yeah.
How do you guys? No, it's going to be to you guys. Khore, how do you guys feel about it? Like the whole backlash and the fact that Botswana actually kept the record of that. Khore, oh, kana ba kile bare.
Yeah.
What do you guys feel? How do you guys feel?
You know how I feel about it? If you observe, but like there is no more to like someone who's of essence, kind of someone who like who's making it in life.
Yeah.
Like we kill share ideas or Chombo, stuff like that. It's like it's always the same old losers. You get it? Yeah, blah blah blah. Got like people with no life, angry people. But you know, things are not going well for them. One swap. Let Chombo like how you should Chombo say.
True.
Because she knows, you know. Got like high kids like. Who do you know here like who's making it in life? Here like nothing.
True.
So you like it's not.
It's always
like,
the backseaters.
Yeah, you get it. Like we are happy about that because every time Lesego does something, they're like you know.
Hey, what push it up? Yeah, that's
true.
Yeah,
like like when she coughs, like we catches the cold. Like we catch the cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
I
we
get
move,
you.
we move,
Yeah.
we move. Yeah. Yeah. So they're like, you know, like we're always on the spotlight.
What the interview, when I want to.
Yeah, dog. Dude, like she must come here, dog. Like anything, anytime.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that overview is open to everyone.
You don't think
Flazer,
so?
how do you feel?
About what?
Yeah, Tsapang was asking us a question.
No, Tsapang.
But how do you feel with the backlash? Botswana actually kept the files and the chats and the receipts.
For me, I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
Like close people, like personally, my friends, my close friends, they know what Flazer doesn't give a shit. Hey boy, I remember at some point we trend because of my Duma. You get, and that later go kai ne mona kanu gila sana mo Facebook ra trend ka figure later now trend ka nana kolo na ban because when you start giving attention to or a trend on or similar on
to invest yeah
on back and forth, and especially when it comes to women you'd never win because
that's true.
One hard ke trend against chiri majita ba batla go moja ba bangwe ba ileng gore ba sale ba matlile ba side ale ene e be go nna le bo mme gape ba ileng gore ba go side ale, so you will never win a trend against a woman la o ka ja wa khora la o ka iragala ene baba. So for me, I ignore, I don't give a shit, ke tsohela modilo and then I just move on.
Congratulations to her.
You get.
Yeah, I mean dog, like besides women here, like Urdu, like you can never focus on social media.
You get.
Because like people are angry, you get it. People are just even the shit whatever do like that traumas there, and then like they want to exact those things on us and all that, so you just ignore, you know, and man like like there's no fiber in my bone that moves.
Nothing.
Maybe like if anything that moves is the happiness or me like
at least the learn attention.
Free marketing.
Free marketing,
Free advertising.
Like Joy is saying, obviously overview. So it's a win-win for the both of us.
Yeah, that's true.
You know. Yeah. One can never be the two hippos, and then like it became our brand.
Hey,
the two hippos. Yeah, like we are high calories. That's our brand.
AKA the high calories.
HC, high calories. High calories, man, nigga.
What are sponsor us a sunflower?
Yeah. But otherwise, congratulations to Lesego Chombo for being
and the cabinet member.
Yeah, like
ministers, everything.
Yeah, like for getting named like the Minister of Youth and Gender Affairs. How do you guys feel about it? Because now, like, I have my feelings about it, but I'd like to hear how you guys feel about it first. TP?
What about what?
How do you guys feel about Lesego Chombo's appointment as Minister of Youth and Gender Affairs?
I think it's a good move. Now, okay, in a perspective, at least now, coming with the change, the elections and the political party of Botswana. At least change minister, at least we have a bit of youth involved. Now I look at it from that, not who is it. But then again, how Asia thing, and she's never been into these kind of politics and stuff like leadership position. She's starting up. So it's a matter of waiting to see these 5 years. What's the difference that she'll do? But I'm expecting a good one.
Yeah.
Because at least she's running on a ministry of youth and youth.
Yeah.
So some things will change as time goes.
Yeah. For me, I felt like, should I go or you wanna go first?
No, everything is fine.
Okay. For me, I felt like, listen, I didn't have I don't have a problem with her being a specially elected member of parliament. I felt like that is good, you know, to have a youth to be a voice, parliament, and that is good. But as for becoming a minister, that one I'm not too sure about it. I feel like she's being set up for failure.
Yeah, no,
because like ministry, like it's something saying over like it's huge.
Yeah, it's a huge responsibility.
I stand to be corrected, but I think ministerial position in Botswana is the 4th highest office in the country. I get the office of the president, office of the vice president, then permanent secretary to the president, if I'm not mistaken, then minister. Like in the country, like you're out here, like you're 26, you're just starting off, and then we're a minister. You know, like at the age of 26, no work experience, no. Like she hasn't been into leadership position before whatsoever. So I feel like role of minister, I need someone who's experienced.
True.
You know, especially in terms of leadership. Someone who's a leader.
Yeah.
So for me, that one, specially elected member of parliament, I agree with that 100%. Minister, I don't agree. That one for me, like it's a total no. You know, but I'll be hoping that I don't know.
We'll
like,
see.
Yeah,
5 years soon.
Yes.
It's too soon to judge.
Yeah, like I hope that Mudiman through the whole thing. But my opinion, for me, I think that she's been set up for failure. You get it? Because leadership has a like we have leadership crisis in the country currently. You know, like that one it's setting. One born. So and then like you get a 26-year-old, like go be a minister. Or a banana bubble and you know, like you get it. And like you know how radical youth in Singapore, like you see how they went at Chilibo. You see how they went at Tapololope. You see how they like you get it. So enough for me. Yeah, like that's my take. Flazer?
Hopeful.
I feel like you took my words.
Yeah.
You do 100%. I feel like they threw her under the bus. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Horabal especially elected. But
Member
at the
of
same
Parliament,
time, I share everything that you said. But I feel like Mkabasi minister.
Maybe assistant minister.
At least Hankabele assistant minister.
Yeah.
Reach or ota push or no. Because youth rebata say. Releka say. This is what we want future. In future you get. Or no scale but this is what the youth want. So like you're saying, let's hope for the best. Mudimo, thank you.
Yeah, because they're not like she needs God, she needs love. Because issues tabanana buyer dog. Are you aware that prisons home piano like 80% of population are prison? Youth. Suicide cases, 99% of our people are youth. Unemployment rate, 100% or 99%.
Depression.
Gender affairs. Kera ministry uchenchile yano esatholele sports and arts. It's just youth and gender affairs.
You know, speaking of gender, GBV perpetrators, most of them, youth. The podcast, it's a chef Gusto, sebo mambo, youth. But mechanic, youth. Like that's why I get it. Now I feel like she's too young to be handling with such issues. But at least I know a coordinator or assistant minister or whatsoever. You get it. But I know that we must catch smoke for saying all this, but I don't give a fuck. But anyway, we wish her luck. Like I'm saying, I wish her luck. I wish her all the best. I wish her God
all the best.
To be honest, Jesus and all his disciples and all that. Because she might surprise us at the end of the day. You'd never know.
Yeah. We'll look back after 5 years, hopefully, and say, okay, no, she proved us wrong.
Also, like what I love about us overview is that we say our opinions. If she's doing good, we're gonna say no, like she's doing good. Like if she's not doing good, like, she's not doing good. It's like all the ministers. You know,
the vice president.
You get it. Anyway, it's a PM.
But speaking of parliament, so vice double salary.
That one I
don't know. Because I agree is the vice president. The vice president. And then he don't minister of finance, right? So finance minister.
I'm not too sure about that one. Now when you B2, no, you cannot if you do something else. Like for instance, Sekai, I agree to Fundis, the programs manager of RB2. And he has I don't know if he still has like the Monday show. Yes, sports, the Akapat,
Il presenter.
For instance, no what they really for presenter. For programs manager. No what they how more mental but like I'm saying, like ne ke go RB2, so ha ke itse ka dio go di office tse di tona gore go ntsa. Yeah, like I think we need to confirm that from someone, but like
check kana mongwe itseng a re bolele
then no gote like ne ba re mo government ha go amogela ga two ba amogela ga
one mme gape ya nong a ke re lebile maemo a matona yona bo president le bo minister
like no matter the rules to dira ba re amogela ga one, so I kitse ka bo vice maybe ba amogela ga two like Flazer say maybe ga one
because you know why I'm asking this no gote ba ikane and how you can isio o tlogela spane se tsong se dira right hela ka re bone bogolo ke Wendu a ira a tsenya resignation letter from ke ka BSB
something like that
Ben Kgaborone so go poso ha ka gore a go bereka ka kwa ile minister ba gape go bereka go Ben Kgaborone so mo ntetse
wait
ka o tlhaloganya ntetse hela ka ke bua gore o ka amogela ka ha ba amogela ka but at the same time hela ka bua gore ga o bereka mo government o tshwantse re amogela ga wa you get gore no amogela ga one ke mola wa government hela ka bua gore kwa RB2 una ka ira gongwe 3 or 4 jobs at the same time but wa amogela ga wa ke programs manager gape ke nnenyane gape
a se gore gongwe ba taebe ba lebella gone gore ditiro tsa teng di ka accumulate bokae and then maybe I don't know not go ikopanya but maybe come to ha gare gore okay nya mme ka gore ka ha ke bokana then re ka hella
gape like mo government like ha bereka la government you cannot have spani outside like it's not allowed like unless maybe le body freelance jobs or whatsoever but happen like as a minister you need to be neutral because like I like minister o berekela Ben Kgaborone wa gona ha
Ben Kgaborone
so like she has to be neutral and all that but back to the vice president Ndaba Gaolatlhe like I was saying Maloba Slamba Slamba Tsogwane is the only VP you know like when he's minister Magai was the minister of finance. Who else? I think Masirele and Remasir was the minister. Sarazakhamian Khamaski was the minister of presidential affairs as the VP. Masisi was minister of education as the VP. So Mobotswana is normal for a VP to to be a minister, stuff like that.
Okay.
So like we'll see how it goes. Apparently, bola di tender ya no gore like tender premium should watch out gore lo overview ya na ga tender
ba go jaeng gore bana ba batho ba go jaeng
wa go ja babo
anyway enough about politics guys politics
enough about that last week we had the Yama nominees the Yamas
Murskon bloody shit.
Ravage.
But okay, I don't know if it's a good idea, ne? When it comes to like these awards. I know Larona the music awards, ne? But don't you think we also need to have a segment where it's like a podcast thing? A podcast award. Because nowadays, Botswana, it seems like this podcast industry is actually growing.
So like what a category best podcast.
Oh
re malwanyana malatsingana kana ke rona it's overview it's bo TK it's bo Gaona live it's bo ska
no but like the problem is that
no I'm just saying kana ha ke buisente
it's a comment ka go
you mean like you mean do like there's overview and other segments.
Yes.
Okay.
And other. Okay.
And other. No, like the problem is that if one has such a category, overview will always win.
Okay.
So like that one is obvious. So
I know it's obvious.
So I understand why I said because
it's gonna be a neutral thing.
Yeah, you get it. No, but what
and normally equipment.
Who doesn't have equipment though?
Who doesn't
have what are you saying?
Taragela wena. O khothetsa mollo.
No, ne ke la tlela tshware le gonyana.
Yeah, no, like that's the problem. Like Ronara,
Ama baby amara.
Yeah, you know when like fella, like he was nominated for the Yamas. We pushed him a winner for the Bomus. We pushed him out.
Yeah.
So
no
how about
facts.
talking unfair to other niggas with all
Others,
that? So yeah. Like I thought I did when like overview we read what show 2024
Marira 2025 read the awards.
Yeah,
Everything others.
And others.
Yeah, overview radio awards.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
so yeah,
Diama.
yeah.
The nominees.
Okay, let's see how are the nominees looking like. Flazer has been nominated. Can they like have you won a Yama?
No, we're nominated for like in three categories: best group, best kwaito, and song of the year. I think. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, like here are they best female single. Guys. Okay, Bouncy Loco, Liki featuring Rampaleng Pressure, Impossibina Tepo, Lera La Panzola, Dato Psycho, the Vow.
Kalipina se tsohle tseo a ke di tswa itse.
Ke itse ya ga Dato hela, yeah, the Vow.
A go yo pele.
Bruh.
I forgot how, but hey, Hasia, nobody can tell me.
Yeah.
My name is Ndaba. The TikTok one, trending. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's the one. I'm not sure.
Yeah, and then there's this one, I think it's the biggest People's Choice Song of the Year. DJ KSB and
thing. I get.
let's see, DJ KSB and Hurricane and Makazi Machoni, like I don't know it. Baxin and Duma, Tere Chobolo, okay. Is there anything Rokatwing? Yeah, Hurricane, Mr. KG, DJ Lachimi, Dubula, featuring Emo Dubula, Duma Tere, what's I make? Manam Rola Tularanya, Tomaga Saret.
What nigga not thinking?
People's Choice.
Song of the Year.
People's Choice.
Yeah, Song of the Year.
I think this is the first time Hensi I saw more. And I think this will be the first time Hensi I say we. Because the car we win there for the past 5 years, I think.
Like all the times.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Artist of the Year.
E ka nna ya tswa mo go Tomaga Saret. Kana Ezra.
Tomaga Sereta ana.
Kana Ezra.
Ana following. Hurricane.
Lo ne mo teng mo.
That's what I was
Okay,
about
but
to
it is kind of a tough one.
That was what I was about to say.
It's kind of a tough one, that one.
Wow, vote you again.
Yeah.
Artist of the Year, Hensi.
Who is very important?
Okay, yeah, like
That's
Artist of the
correct,
Year, Hensi, Impossibina, Baxin, Hurricane, DJ KSB. Jakala's one time. They're like, that's a surprise for me.
That's not. I told you about Jagala's one.
No, like he's good, but for him to like to be Artist of the Year, like out of so many artists, like for me, like I'm surprised.
Yeah, now
Like being surprised, I'm not saying hard like.
You know, yeah.
Yeah. Producer of the Year. Yo, guys, fella is in here, guys. Producer of the Year. Nominee code PD01. Vote for fella, guys. Others don't matter, so like we're not gonna say.
To be honest,
vote for fella, guys, for producer of the year.
He's the
Overview.
only one.
Yeah,
So
like
vote
he's the
for
only
fella.
one.
Yeah.
So yeah, vote for fella. Let's see. I think this is the most important one. So I get. Yeah. Best dance singer.
Best album.
I think Baxin might be like the most
Best album.
Nominated.
All album.
Best R&B singer. Best male singer. Chombo, Baxin, Duma, Tere, DJ KSB, Hensi, Maloba. Jakala's one time TP is running things rokating Duma, Tere, Tameke, Tato Tladi, Wena. Lagonori, best what?
Best album. Rito Rona Lemanya like best. Best album. But it has to be there.
But like the best
Nice.
DJs, so like it's a weak category, dog. Frostbite, DZD, Teddy's not a DJ, Swagkiss DJs, Basho Vision, DJ Quest.
No, I wish Horekatsa get Frostbite.
Frost or Quest. One of the two.
Yeah. Best social.
Frost or Quest.
Best DJ.
Best DJ. Frost or Quest. Or Quest. I'll go for Quest on this one.
Now go for Frostbite.
But Chief Ghost is in the background saying that Frostbite, Hana, Frost Quest, Havana di Pina, Havana di like why?
Hola Lamango and Lipino. You get? Hola Lamango and Lipina.
Swag Kiss DJ, I think I'm on
Ware?
Swag Kiss DJ.
Ware boma?
Whenever-
Bana di pina.
Okay, best social media interesting one, Hensi, the choreographers BW, okay, DJ Lati, Bexen, DJ Psycho, William Laskeyarem. I really don't know why we keep nominating William because we know they're not going to give it to him.
Gape no buile gore ha di bad.
Hey, eh?
Le no buile gore ha di bad.
Hey, and like it's not
Ana
fair.
ne tota ke
Yeah, but like they keep
international
on
market.
nominating
Then ana
you.
sepe gore kwano go iragala eng. It's not fair, which is why ibile hana sepe anymore. So gape no libile gore nowadays is an international brand. So gore kwano wina sengwe kana yang ae.
But one thing that I wanted to tell you about, ke gore it's a disadvantage gore bo nominated mo di category tse bana. Ha ke nominated mo category ye 1. Let me say one gote best male of V. E be ke tsena teng hela ke gone mo category ye.
Olo one.
When now we are nominated mo go 5. It means that out of 10 o gaganya mathupela le gore go vote ka 2.
That's true.
Nna ke a go vote ga kae wena wa go vote ga kae mo di category
Yeah, I get you.
So
The
if
voting
you-
strategy,
you
yeah.
get, yeah. So if you are smart on nominated ga 5 le ka go choose that so feel gore they are the most important for
important.
you
Eh,
as
o
an
ra batho ba
artist
go-
or creator wa bona I le gore itse gore no gona le song of the year, it's important gona le male of the artist of the year le best single ke tsone tso ka dira but ha o tsentse gape le go bo social media what mo a gona mosola mo yes gona le mosola o tsentse go for a reason but
Yeah.
you know stick to what you feel you
Yeah,
deserve
comfortable
bona,
with.
Yeah. Yeah, I
But I
think
get you know most of the time with these these categories wa go ithelela gore you're not tota you're not told gore you're
Yeah,
going
no,
to
true,
feature
true,
like
yeah.
o utlwaela gore oh you're nominated wa bona
yeah.
Yeah.
so that's the problem unlike what you are saying ha ne go ntse ya le gore nyamme ha ile gore motho wa bolelwa gore nyamme o thopetswe mo le mo wena o batla di I think it would be better. But because it comes as a surprise also to them,
Yeah.
it becomes a problem also.
yeah, like I think Bexen must be the most nominated
Yeah.
with 5 nominees, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
I stand to be corrected, yeah. But that song, yeah, really Zuma, I think in Chombo. Yeah, like
a
it's
very
the most
good
nominated
one,
song.
yeah.
Plus,
But for me I feel like ngebe sa tsengwe e dule late
happy like I wonder what
e dule late
for best social media. Why but since Bexen ba sa tsenyela khatshwana.
Yes,
You
that's
get,
right.
yeah.
You are very right.
yes
because I
ke ba
think-
tsentse le khatshwana
Like,
ya
oh,
bona.
tela ba ka bo
Ba le
three,
three, ba bo-
eh,
yeah.
True,
You get
true,
it?
yeah.
Because social media presence aga Bexen was through le khatshwana
Thank you
this year.
yeah.
And most of them
Yeah.
through le khatshwana and is one in the back. But why long gore ba tsuse modumo are the guys that he's with.
Yeah.
Bone bo diba le bo mang.
Wow,
Yeah.
well, lady.
Ha ke mmuelle but I'm talking sense. Gore he's the one who gore nna ele la tsuse modumo.
Yeah.
But
Ba
se
batla go
ne
find Black Man Party.
re mmona ha le
but
le
also
hae.
like speaking of that, I think like a guy like Diba should have made it to best
Social media, yeah.
You get it? So yeah, like I think they should have done. Bohemian should have made it to best social media.
Yeah.
You get it?
Ka kura ke rena mona ya rena FM ke ya rena FM la itaka batho ba tsena ba tswa o tsenya ba ba batang o tsenya ha o tsenya ba you get you know
So, like-
it's like politics dog
Bana ke ba ga T easy kana ke ba ga ma.
ba re ke ba ga ma
No, I get a mask.
ba ga tsapa
Nna ke tsana ha kae.
easy ke ga tsapa
Ja, ke lebetse gore kana ke name sake. I keep forgetting it. Why is that? Forgetting. I don't know why.
slow
Yeah, but guys, like, do you guys realize how 2024 was for Botswana?
yeah
I mean, from Lesego Chombo being a runner-up ya Miss World, even na Miss World Africa, Litsile Tebogo, the relay team,
Ross
then
Branch.
Ross Branch as
Yeah.
well. Then Duma Boko became
Duma
president
Boko.
after
Yeah.
58
Fatsoleno dog.
that's
Yeah.
it Skale Balamaso, hey, 2024 took our, our
Yeah, but
close
That's
people,
true.
the loved ones.
yeah, before it didn't, so like, Mogolona guys, like, who's your person of the year for 2024?
Who's what?
Person of the year.
Person of the year. It's
Like, we
Litsile,
have
of course.
Litsile, Duma Boko,
For me,
Ross
it's
Branch,
Yeah.
Lesego
Litsile
Chombo.
Tebogo. Yeah.
You?
I'll say it's Litsile as well.
Litsile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm saying Litsile is because before him, Botswana was just Botswana.
Yeah.
After Litsile, he did put Botswana on the map. People started recognizing Botswana as, you know, what Botswana, this is a country now.
Larona, we started regaining our pride.
Botswana is not recognized by a lot of, this Bonebo Google, YouTube and shit like that. But after that, you know, Botswana is Botswana now because of Litsile Tebo. I'm not saying because of him alone, but we say about Botswana somewhere in the map.
Like the way that he put in,
it's way far.
We regained that pride that we once had and the hope. After that, it was a time to be alive. So he just brought everything. He brought everyone together. Stadium setala in a long time. Setala kane setala. Batswana ba itumetse. Just talking about it. Yes, goosebumps. Children of the wind.
Smash or pass?
You guys are always asking me this question.
Again.
Pass.
It's a pass, smash or pass?
No pass. Unchaka dog.
What else do we have there?
Sure, boy.
Sure, boy.
Okay.
On to Trump's victory win.
Oh yeah.
That was it was very surprising, especially like the elections. Kamala Harris was actually leading.
Was it like
She was leading.
Okay, like for me, it wasn't surprising. I thought Trump was always gonna win.
You think so?
Yeah.
Same here.
I feel like with the amount of support that Kamala had, it was actually a bit of hope for
It was
her.
just women, though, like
She might win. Hape the campaign
Plus
ka
the
hanemba e rana ka
previous,
teng.
like Barack Obama,
Yeah, Barack
Michelle,
Obama and all that.
Yeah.
Just a whole lot.
Exactly.
Ke a tshwara go buela mo go ene gore batho ba ne ba mo supporta. No gona bona gore ke batho ba ile gore ba file gore tota tshwantse gore
Go nne le change nyana.
But o bua go tsa Donald Trump o bo bona gore campaign ya go o beka pia ke bo mang ke bo Elon Musk and imagine bo Elon Musk gore ke batho ba ba tsenya ba
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that's the reason why people had hope, faith, believed gore Kamala
would-
should
she
win.
would win.
Yeah.
But me as an individual, get Flazer get one. I felt like Donald hella it's a walkthrough.
Yeah, Kamala like her campaign was full of saying like I don't know how to explain.
The
celebrity. You remember?
Huh?
There's a video in Rubuaka. I think I was with you and Chief Ghost.
What day?
In Rubua last week, hey, boss late. Then I buya Kamala Rubua na support to Michelle Obama. You remember the video in Rotten Trend? Something about Gay Banabaro.
She was pushing
something
those
like
things, dog, like abortions, divorces, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Not that it's wrong, or like you cannot base your campaign on that.
On that.
You get it?
Yeah.
So happy. Look at America right now. Man, like it's
Okay, I think
gender, what.
So
You can identify as a cat, as a tree, as a
Okay,
what.
I think
So Trump is coming. Good,
Probably
like
those
with
things would
you know,
probably
some sort of righteousness.
Huh?
Like for instance, Joe Biden came in and then like pulled out the Bible from schools.
Yeah.
When Trump is coming in and bringing
back those things.
you know, like Bible goes gay, like the part of syllabus and all that. One swar. So I don't know.
Me don't see some Bible. It's all I'm go.
No, I guess I'm not like that liberals, so like they want this, like this thing study liberals and all that. I want. But here I wear what I want. Here I identify as I am. Blah blah blah. And Bible is like
yeah, no,
so
I
like
get
those
it,
kind of things. One swar. Good, like I'm saying that. I'm not saying that some other things are not okay to do, but you cannot base your campaign on those
that.
things. Toto one. No, women, blah blah. Nigga, tell us about the economy.
Tell about the future.
Yeah, tell us about the future. You get it? So now I think Kamala Harris was Kakanyago. She's a woman. She's black. Women, like that's what she was campaigning about and all that. And also, Trump campaigned. Like, well, not like he went to like into the podcast
Yeah.
Joe Rogan,
Yeah.
stuff like that. Like I already said, the fries go KFC, stuff
Yeah.
like McDonald's or KFC.
McDonald's.
So yeah, for me, I think it
McDonald's.
was quite obvious. When
Yeah,
I-
but lebone like okay, sorry. Majority of people hella they were saying gore as much as Trump ane adule after that those elections to Joe Biden, they're saying gore majority of the time in terms of him being the president,
hey, like Fidi.
Hey.
his 5-year rule.
Yeah.
It was
What are you?
his 5-year rule. It wasn't as bad as people would think it was.
Yeah.
For America,
Yeah.
he wasn't a bad president. Gore hela ene as an individual, he had his own issues his
Yeah.
personal issues,
hela
but
go.
says they affect the country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Tsa go hela tse di personal.
tse di personal ko tsa
Tsa
gore
go tsa
Donald
bo
Trump
Toto,
but
bo Jodile Lebo, Paris
Yeah.
Hilton, tsa
Yeah.
bo Toto, boing.
but in terms of ruling hela as the country, and then he wasn't such a bad
ke
president.
president e boneng go stage e re no. Na the first year ha ke batla wa amogela madi a bo presidency. Ara ne le mbatloki.
Yeah.
Trump area.
He did that.
Oh, he did that.
Yeah.
But that guy is,
e le gona tsa bo president.
Uh-huh.
He did that.
Yeah.
A bua gore no na ke na le business ke tla ikamogedisa.
Yeah, hey man, I have dog. Like I feel like like a lot of bad things are going wrong. Like I was having this conversation. We see like last night with Chief Goes, like looking at how things are. Like how women are just doing because like Nerebona Lala mo video nyaka chef's gustos. And then we were like, and I mean like Lala is a mother. They're like she shouldn't be here pimping herself out on these music videos and all. From there, like a whole lot of bad things are happening. So like we need a guy like Trump to come and restore some sort of an order whatsoever. If you observe, the church was for Trump because Trump is preaching righteousness. No, guys, we need to protect women. Like we need to protect children. Like men need to go back to being men all over again. On because now like everything is just going haywire. Flazer can just say no, I'm not fat, I'm slim. Like no, Flazer is fat. Flazer can say no, I'm a girl now. What the fuck, dog? Kinda like I'm a child. Do like
Delusional.
Yeah, you get it. So yeah, for me, I think I do like like I wouldn't have voted for Kamala, dog. To be honest, I feel like what I hate about pass me the juice.
But ka ga nyagala ke sa go tsena gano. We know Lala.
Yeah.
We know Lala because of social media,
Yeah.
because of BJB.
Yeah.
But na ke feel gore wala sa se dirang on social media. Inne Lala ke Lala. At the end of the day, wa hasela.
She's her own person.
Ha ona rekare. Like remove like a social media, remove like a social. That's why when no, I can market your things, your business, your whatever. I'm an influencer. I got to give influencer.
Yeah.
So halimo video nya gusto se badira ka dira and then retailer gusto se.
Yeah.
There's nothing that we can do. She's a mother now. This and this and this. We've known Lala before her being a mother before.
Yeah.
So kora ona rekari.
Yeah, no, like that's true. But like the thing is that no, like we're not saying that. Like once you become a mother, you cannot be liberal anymore. Like once you become a parent, like you become conservative because now you are a parent.
You can become conservative.
You cannot go track ole a mother because now at least say ngwana mo lehatsi. Like
Okay.
like you should be role model.
Okay.
Nah, but I
So,
No,
like,
disagree with you. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, but at the end of the day, if she was the video vixen in the video and all that, agreement nowadays mister. You have to do what you gotta do because nowadays, especially unemployment, there are a lot of ways to make money, especially there are a lot of single mothers and that are trying to feed their families. And you're gonna go out and hustle. You get what I mean? Nowadays, it's not about judging. You put food on the table.
Yeah.
Let's call but I'm not. It's not but if it comes to that point, who are we to judge that person? Because
Joy would be here nalo and more podcasting can after shoot or before shoot. Every banal it will reach or get na abereki, high recipe, on nale one, oza di vrpa, oja di A-list girls, ono di Hennessy. You never know what later behind closed doors.
Exactly.
So you can't judge. Up until Nunu at an amo fashion. Resort Malay Babana Mobi TV news where exceed drugs.
Or Cantoria
drugs. Cantil told you Lejana. Then the resort I told me I was hustling and hustle. I return no hustle version. Cantora motor exceed drugs behind closed doors. So, like you're saying, going back to your issue, you'll never know. At the end of the day, o tshwantse re be dijo mo tafoleng family ya gago
background
ya gago eng kana eng whether we itekisa whether Instagram bedi whether we eng kana whether we at the end of the day ha family ya go e robetse ejele ya pere number 1
I understand what I'm saying, guys. You guys are right, but our conversation was like women, we have forgotten our role. Or like one of our major roles, like, is to protect women
and provide.
And provide for women. But now we are even putting them in like in compromising positions.
Exactly.
Mosadi ha on video vixen kana we take it. It's not like wa rata bro. Like I want to rata.
Especially scenes that are
we
not
ralo.
appropriate.
We ralo because hana choice. So now like we're having this conversation like it's up to us men now to protect women. I cannot go. Listen, there are men who do that. It's fine, but like as a man, you must have a responsibility. Oscar Tsatsapan, a mother of a 2-year-old, can be a video vixen on your music video because as a man, on a responsibility, you have to protect them. She's doing all that because she needs money, like you're saying. She's doing all that because her choice. Mareza Jita, we run. That's why I get trampoline on our like road like every verse. Even DGB like he said something on Friday morning. Women have lost their femininity. You get it? Like they try all means to survive this and that. And that is fault abomang Larona Majita. So role ya Flazer as a man, like is to protect yourself, protect women, protect children, protect inhabitants. Women are only doing these things because have a choice. Like it's not like we're judging them. I got like for instance, like I'm calling out where they belong. You see,
obviously.
Exactly. No,
it starts with you, men. You know what I mean?
No, it's not.
It's not about president.
Like, it's not about being a president.
No, you get
that's
the podcast you get
that's true.
You get
yes
so Kore Hanna killing protective for me it's fine it's sharp protective whether it's my mom, my sister, my little sister, my cousin,
your niece, your nephew.
How you protective but how you go when no only whoever, only fan, why abuse all this? There's nothing that I can do. Now, not a sharp. So when I learn I got you, but how was it? It's nothing that nothing can you get. So that's what I get. How can I get on a sharp road? How can I get on the president road? How can I get another road?
True.
How can I get
I get what
successful
you're saying.
road?
I get what you're saying.
No, that's true. But what I was saying is that Rona as mouthpiece.
It's reality.
Like we should discuss this kind of things.
No, but like you're saying, the reality of it. At the end of the day, it only takes one person to actually change something else. Yes, like you're saying, we have to face reality. We're not all going to be presidents. Basically what you're saying, but in that scenario there's always something better in any position that you are in. There's always so little you can do and so much you can do for the next person, especially ule monna wa bona re go ntse gore a o thokomela ba ko lapeng hela kana yang, but la ha ile gore o bapile le neighbor wa itse gore neighbor ya tshwengwa, the least you can do is find out what's happening, o itse gore o ka thusa ha kae wa bona re ke ra yang. That's the little you can do.
No, it's not about
but at the end of the day,
I just
what you can do is just try to do a little bit, just a little bit of change.
You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, like this is part of President Duma's speech on Friday. Kindly like read it out.
Women find themselves expected to behave like the males and model attributes that they do not have and shouldn't have. And in the process of doing this, deprives the society of these much desired attributes of softness, the tenderness. And so I encourage the ladies, do not suppress your femininity. Be women. You're vulnerable as women. Oh, valuable, sorry. Valuable as women.
So like, my point exactly. What like our role should, what like we should know, man, nigga, Flazer, as much as LA, like as much as dog. And I'm saying this, dog. We are failing as men, but number because like I can see that we are failing. I always admire whenever someone is stepping up or saying or reminding us or like role Larona king as men and role Yamas king, because now things have reversed. Women have become masculine because men are feeling that.
Hey, that's why because it's like, dude, what are you talking about? You're not doing shit. You're not even bringing, you're not protecting me, you're not providing for me.
Yeah.
So what should I do? This is a really poor road.
So yeah, like this is like the reason why that I'm saying now, like I like Trump that he's in. Like Trump is trying to fix this kind of things and all that. And also another thing that's like even on that episode like you guys Sapan said something about dog, like it's true. Psychologically, like a man influences a woman. This thing still like you're not like Lala, I will track a video in your Chef Gustos. It's because Chef Gustos she can never say no, like I can track on your video, this and that. Not that I'm taking Chef Gustos or anything like he's unfortunately to be the example now. Stuff like that. But I think we have responsibility as men. Reason why we protect our sisters, our women, our Flazer ke bona. I mean, dog, like you cannot be. Like you cannot be baby mama like.
Yeah, my baby, no worry.
I don't know. No, like you cannot be baby mama Flazer. If you come check on my video, you like like baby mama like that. Chef Gustos Libiji can like Hasamajita. But anyway, let's move on.
As going to business.
So like yeah, no kind of protection.
But I also repeat
of all the girls, my nigga Mobutswana who can track. Like tell me
no, Lala Nasa taking a video vixen. Come in. Just...
Okay, like of all the video vixens in Botswana.
Yeah. You know what?
Why?
She has following.
Okay.
She's a brand on her own.
You get. Yeah.
Yeah, no, but anyway, yeah, like let's move on. Yeah. What do we have next? So pure no, but Mela guys, like we should have this like such conversations because Toto Flazer like feel like dog, like we have forgotten our roles, man. And like we should revisit.
Not that like Tumelo hela gore na. Nakare hela ki Tumelo mo goreng, especially with the people around, like Majita around me, waban.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like I've gotten to become comfortable around you guys because I've gotten to trust. And there's that kind of thing where you build a trust nowadays. You don't just slip up you don't.
Yeah.
You build a trust and then like the pool party.
Yeah.
That was the first time we've actually chilled.
Yeah.
Like properly, but I was in a safe surrounding because of the times that we've done our work and then re tabe re chila ro therentse re enwa and then a tswa ho ra phatalla ha gona di scandal tsa bo gore he go rile you get what I mean one tsara bathong ya no nke wela mo go gone gore even like that, there's always people you can trust and those that you can't, especially as a girl. Because gona le bo go spike mo di clubong gona leng. Kore as women, you are always alert as a woman. Kore ha o gone go putuluga o ja monate hela and just say, you know what? Ke ja monate ke na le batho. Le ha o tagilwe hela o tshwantse re we ipotse. You have to trace back your steps and say, okay, but you are just there. You get what I mean? It's not safe out there. And I always tell people, I look at you as a guy. What are your intentions and how are you treating me? How you're treating me, I'm gonna take you as you're taking me. Because you are supposed to lead as a guy in the relationship. I'm the one that's being I'm being a hater or I'm being the controlling person. You get? Because I want a guy to be the leader. And as a guy should be in a relationship. Not even materialistic stuff, but that reassurance, that communication, that effortless vibe. It should start from the guy. Like a princess, I swear you're gonna be a king. You're gonna be a king.
The tree
exactly. You treat a girl right, she will make you the king of her castle immediately. I feel like maybe you
know, dude, like that's why I can never really understand a man who's happy that he divorced once. Dude, like you divorced because it's your fault as a leader. Cause how in a marriage, dog, you are the leader. Relationship, you come on, you determine what goes. If your woman goes off and then with bullshit, it's because
she's lacking something from
you.
You.
It's because it always has something to do with you. If it doesn't, you are the one who chose that woman in the first place. Because a relationship in it, so how Froya when I wear a single Froya relationship in. You are the one who choose the way. Yeah.
It's a fact. It's a fact. Approach, for example, approach we've never had sex, we've never made love, we've never done anything. Approach we start talking, we're vibing. She likes me, I like her, and then we start having sex. She start loving me. Then morata, hella like it. And then Motseleng about Asimola Tokala when I lead you. Let's allow can I melody Hana Dikele, Hanjisemonatella sharp. Like that. Dicky, you can't go for counseling. You can't. So Hasimola cheetah about like what's the way forward now? Don't lie, at least
honestly speaking, I feel
like if you are baby one cheater. Now I'm loyal to her, Hakimu cheater, but me at the end of the day, Kiyu, Kinale, Hakimu cheat, Kimonella Sumasa, she's happily married, Ratani Diraladiwa, Renterlembo, Yano, Ujarosi.
Like you do in terms, okay, sorry. What's actually gonna okay. Now you feel like we're one among the
Carabella Mohani Yawarelare, or Monake Monake, and approach it. Or Masadia about off road.
Can I your question, Goring? How can I let a relationship? Can I what's your question?
Bullets of Mohania. Monake, net end of the Diwaba approach the Mossad. Mossadi has more off-roading. Monake and Sons are Musi. How we kill a Motiling, most situation ends in ya. I never cancel. One of the tell or the busset baby. Can a journal, Arbaka, and you better back and you be hotel. But your situation comes over Rakansilevan. Can a Namuno Hankosat? What should I do?
Okay.
Give out in danger.
Hey, I get like if you cannot give her Sasa Batang relationship I can span I get. Hey, let her go. Simple. Use relationship guy.
I don't know it's going to give
Lona batho. Tabating there's something. No. Wait.
No.
There's something called communication, guys. Nya, kana o tsore ke matata go re senya ka gona go ntsha dikgang tsa rona re di ntshetsa go bathong ba bang. Kona lo re wena o fila gore monna ha go khotsohatsa o wena ha o khotsohade mo relationship. A go tshwantse re nna ha tshele motho ga go mo rara motho a me. Ke ra re if you guys really love each other and you want this to work, le fila gore no we are building. How fila gore di etsa ha di shapo. Wa mmolella nnete gore a re bone gore re ira yang.
Ka Toto e nyenyane.
Hey, do you know that there are guys that can actually hit it with a small dick?
It's not small, it's average. It's not small, it's average.
Okay. After meth is the best.
No, let me check but after meth for my
like it's the best in town. Yeah, no, like it's a piece. Like
no, it's a type of communication. Or when you like it like this, la bolelana. Or no, I like it like this. When we like and I really want to compromise and so that everyone is satisfied at the end of the day to avoid this whole cheating shit.
Yeah, guys, but like what I'm saying, Flazer is
that realistic.
No,
guys,
I'm just saying honest. There's that possibility.
I said hi, Lore.
I'm saying there's that possibility.
Have you met somebody about turn off?
Yes.
And then we go back.
Yeah, because it wasn't love. It was just fun.
Huh?
Have you met Chiron and Lihu to feel no, never.
No, this is making me uncomfortable.
Only call me to no, never again. No, now I've met her before. You get. So,
my point, Flazer, is that how sabirik like how again. How long fro? How about a gripang as a gripang? When not tell Mamma wa really gripang. Wamotore like it. Or made high grip like about a gripang for a second. Like how Lena Harobata Mokokolosa, or red. Like about Mokokolosa. How Mokokolosa, Arvine. But what I'm saying is that if you guys go to a point of getting married and all that blah 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 blah, divorce, it's always a man's fault because you are the one who chose this person to be your wife. Because one thing, those red flags need delete them, but you chose to ignore them. You were unconscious or ignorant enough not to see those red flags. One thing.
Not for me,
but you chose to marry them.
And that's why I won't cheat. King Asampule from the get-go. Hey, utswering tikinini. Kya khaola.
When I is all
make you like holy monad.
Oh, Flazer, like you know that like when you're hearing it, how much enjoy enjoy oh no,
but anyway. To the overviewers, kopale commenti, ke kopale bue, nnete, gore ha mme a tshwere pasele kana ra tshwere ntekeneng. Go iragala le kopale di situation dife. Kana lo utlwile bomang. Ba di tsala tsa lona. Kana ba di cousin.
Madua ba nna ya.
Ya ne.
While we're still on the jokes, there's been a trend.
Lisa Camorina, yeah.
This past week, once already trendy, but what I'm saying, and then they say it also in English, but yeah. So I don't know if you guys seen it.
Yeah.
You guys didn't it?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, like just bits and pieces and all that.
So gona le engwe ibile re le gone mo khayenyong le be a gore ga telotolo la phone in brackets let's break up.
Hey bra. Ne yeah.
So se batang go ta sithe.
Hey bra. No, I don't like that one too.
No, that's one thing with me. Now I never go through a guy's phone.
Same here.
I can never.
Yeah, no.
La phone na go like ya go inela gore la ile re ke bona re ke mango. I just keep quiet. I give you your phone and move away. Cause I can't tell bula ya me. Hey, Jesus.
So what I was about.
I
no, I'd get mad ha ile gore ke motho ke tse gore kile ka go mogalemela ke bona le
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, true.
but me hela mangwa letsa
Yeah.
I don't give a
It's
shit.
what you are
it's
going
fine.
through it.
Yeah, hey.
No, not real. Not like in a relationship, like phones are just off the limits.
True.
But
No,
like around one,
wrong good,
yeah,
Eh.
yeah, I get you like 100%.
Eh.
Yeah.
For me, dog, like if you're in a relationship, like your phone is your phone, my phone is my phone.
Yeah.
But like if you want to borrow it or roll it, but not like
Just don't
I
go through
hate
it.
it when I give you my phone or what and then like you go through my message.
Yeah.
You know why?
Go tshwana le motho o mo neelang phone ka dinepe o mmontsha sa ba
Yeah,
ya
but
You
it's
get it?
not-
Like
yeah.
not because I would cheat or anything, because Nale Flazer like, hey man,
Re bua dilo.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
Dilo.
when
Yeah.
we're like, it was thing, blah 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 stuff
Yeah.
like, we're like for our eyes only. I wanna happen like eh,
The
man,
privacy.
you know our
yeah.
deals as men, stuff like
Yeah,
that, you know,
I
like
want
that.
to
Some
know
things
something
telling we're like,
yeah.
yeah, I'm sorry, Geraya. But now I set the phone now,
Yeah, me care.
stuff like
Respect
that. But I
That's
go not
it.
like there's something off. Like obviously I'm gonna ask you, but I can't think why I gotta please or let's time.
Yeah.
Like what's popping?
10 minutes. Okay.
You
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
Kgoko modumo. Baby mama.
No, true.
Gates.
Okay, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know.
Which gate are we getting on in April? Like the North Gate or the South Gate?
Hey, wena.
Okay.
The East Gate.
Or the East Gate. Do like the May Gate or the April
The
Gate?
North Gate.
Or the North
The
Gate?
North Gate.
Oh, okay. Do like the May Gate or the April Gate?
The
like
North
West,
one.
like which one?
Fuck you.
Like which gate? Bill Gates or which one?
Yeah,
Oh.
better Bill Gates.
Oh,
I
okay.
plead the fifth.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Go senyegelwa ke tiro. Blow job.
That's a nice one, dog.
Guys,
That's a nice one.
that's
Good like that,
not
senyegelwa.
creative. Hey, yes, you blew it.
Yeah.
Blew the job away. You blew the
You
job.
blow the job away. Yeah. Blow job. Nice one, eh? Nice one.
Ah, that's a good one.
Go rotola. Squirting.
Oh, tola skoti. What's your
so
ingopotsa ya go tsholela dikeledi. Cream pie.
I think I saw that. Yes, I
Go
saw
tsholela
it.
dikeledi.
Cream pie.
Cream pie.
Oh, grip.
Yo. And then mosadi tshweno o jewa maboko.
Vusi.
Sneaky link.
That's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. You tried it.
Yeah.
Tsa metshameko. Relationships. Yeah, no. That was the best. I think that was the best. Yeah, take it tsa metshameko to. Yeah.
No, so rotle re hitile ho.
Eh, dog, like, go putsa mimi wa go te e di kganyana go te jano re tsena mo go tsa metshameko.
Go tla relationship ya
Yeah.
Ke rata wena fela. Lies. Yeah. No, they're lies though. Ke rata wena. You're the only one.
Yeah.
Aye.
I know, but you can be the only one. No, like,
Come on.
okay, listen, like, though, like, you can be the only one that I love.
Yeah.
Not that. Not for the only
As
one
a
I
friend.
love. For you are the only one.
Yeah.
Mo go nna.
No.
Those are lies.
Eh?
No,
Eh,
Okay.
Lies.
Yeah.
Go tswa plan.
You can never be the only one. Anyway.
Hey, this one, though, what's your plan? Like, Larry, what's your plan?
Pull out.
Huh?
Pull out.
What's your plan? Pull out. Pull out as in pulling out.
Yes.
What's your plan? Pull out.
Go tswa.
Go tswa. Pulling out.
Hey, get out
Go tswa
pulling
plan.
out.
Go tswa plan.
I
I get a
know,
direct translation.
I don't think it's a good one.
It doesn't make
yeah.
sense, but it kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
What's your plan? You know, do like I was thinking that they'd say what's your plan in brackets can retake ease. Or can I go ticket out your plan in brackets can retake.
No, it's sort of mo ke mo go ntsenyang. It's like
Also,
it's sort of. I think
Take is like kopa le ntse le tampusa manta.
It was that meme, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because these ones, I think now I realize these memes is so king. Kidi direct translation, just a bit dirtier.
Oh, okay.
Like hela ka what ye cutting kotsana ka ha go tswa ka penetration.
Ne? Tsena ka go tswa ka.
In and out.
Yeah.
Direct translation.
Oh, yeah. Go tsena ka go tswa ka. In and out. Yeah. Penetration.
Kona seto.
Ye ke o ka re o e ratile yang.
IG Betty.
La re megano rile.
Baleburile. You know, and that thing, DJ, somebody died because of me.
Okay, the next one, Casey, coughing.
That's a good one.
Coughing.
That's a good one.
These memes are so fun.
Yeah.
Moso monte, morning glory.
No. Nyao ke mosomuntu. Nyao,
Beautiful.
5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock.
Yes. Let's simula guria marunyana.
Yeah. Who on top? Like who on top?
Women on top.
Like who on top, Tim?
I'm a pillow princess.
Oh, Pillow Princess.
Okay.
Homa safa maraka.
Matlo go shama babi.
Cohabitation.
Batansete. Yeah.
Khosemo. Occupation. Wana yewe ni. Chino Pnara. BJB. I don't know who came up with this one, but this is not nice.
Tin opener.
BJB. Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwe di mola ne moaning.
I feel like you're only bulleting, huh?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
So go talking stage.
Yeah.
That's all that I've got so far.
I'm like, what's the shortest talking stage that you've been in? Shortest?
For me, it's a day.
Honestly, like hours.
For me, it's a day.
Okay,
because it becomes boring. Yeah. Like, you know, when the vibes are just not. Wanna like on the phone, like you're talking to someone, and but you guys are just texting away. And those vibes, there's those vibes where you guys are just but within those hours you're just like
okay, fine, like in terms of pleasure or enjoyment, talking stage or relationship, or like fire sharp talking stage or relationship.
Talking stage
going in fire.
Yeah, because it's the one that leads to relationship, to you guys doing something.
The honeymoon stage.
Yeah. Talking stage or relationship. Talking stage.
Because once you get into a relationship, that motherfucker changes. You enjoy that person when you're still in the honeymoon. Because after that.
So, TP, what is the. Like, I don't know if we have spoken about this before, but what is the. Because, like, I've been asking people here, like, people, hey, Flazer kind of like. He has been in the streets for a long time. Hey, yeah, like, what is the average? Like, relationship, yeah, like, my gaps. Some people about 3 months, some about a month, but it's like Hakira my research, like 3 months is the average. Like what is the average?
For me, the average is, I'd say,
like for a relationship.
Up until you guys have sex. You know what I'm saying? That after sex, everything changes. That's the time whereby you start noticing
the changes.
No, now the true colors the similar show. After sex,
like after shock.
or like
talking stage or similar. After sex.
After sex, everything changes.
Yeah, real relationship.
That's true though.
Like it's true.
Yeah. Especially when it comes to girls, you know how like you guys like when you are trying to get a girl who that approach, I think you go high, and then you get what you want, and then it goes. Yeah, I'll agree with him.
Serious?
Yeah.
For
after the first sex, shit changes.
6 months only. 3 months. A week. Friend request. And then that's what I get. For me, I feel like it could change after sex.
Yeah.
After sex, you're not like 6 months. It's alarm. Sure, boy. No, 6 months. We make it. 3 months into leave.
Yeah.
Even after sex. For like a year. So
and as we have that saying as girls, that guy also boy year 2 years. Don't even give him a chance, not once, because once he gets what he wants.
That's what Nicky advice.
Yo, Jitas, we're going to take this part off, like this one, like for you gents. Yeah, you will see.
Monele the first time. Monele.
We're wrapping out. Yeah, sorry.
Land. From there.
Once.
Yo, guys, this is how we come. Unfortunately, we have to cut this short. Should we continue this like the next episode?
Definitely. Yo,
guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember that we're shooting this episode from Mesos Cafe. It's located in Fairgrounds. It's located in Fairgrounds, just next to Department of Mines and all that. Like stuff like that.
Botswana life.
Like Botswana life. We're like, here's the menu, guys. Everything that you want is here, guys. The ribs. Do we have rib night this Monday? It's a Monday, I get like. Do you have rib night? It's a Monday.
No,
rib night.
Arna Monday. Arna rib. We introduce.
Okay,
I get now here now.
Yeah. So guys, this is the best spot in town to chill. Like you can see what like what's going on at the back. My BDP like I wanna like but chill. Baja Maria and all that. And nice, bro. Everyone is here, man. Banaba BAC. How are the Heinis, man?
Ugly. Yeah. Ugly. How can I type it out?
Yeah, guys, Chief Ghost is behind the lens and he's saying that it's time up. Tapankan, please close the show. But before then, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Remember to subscribe.
Chief Ghost!
Follow Overview Radio across all social media platforms. Follow Tapankan, follow Tutsi with Class.
One time.
Yeah. Don't follow me, guys. Don't follow me. I'll follow you. Yeah, Tapan, close the show.
All right, I think you took it all. Urile subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. All right, and we're closing off, Rere.
Now, the ultimate power in the universe.